We wanted to add some characterful curved panelling to our lounge alcoves, and here's how we did it. This whole DIY cost us under £100 and it really adds some period charm back to the room. We started with blank walls and did a lot of measuring before ordering anything. You need to take into account plugs, light fittings, distance from the other walls, etc. There's no exact formula for this panelling, just make sure they look even. You could even try drawing them on the walls first. These are the strips of moulding we bought online from WM Boyle. They're made of a flexible, lightweight material, so really easy to work with, and the curved corners come ready-made too. We started by cutting our pieces down to size using a miter saw. You want to cut the corners at 45-degree angles so they marry together nicely. Then use any good adhesive to stick them in place on your wall. We started with the bottom strip first, making sure it was central in the wall, and then added the two sides. Obviously check that they're level as you go, you really don't want wonky panelling. Also scrape off any excess adhesive as you go, otherwise it will dry and be very visible. We then added the corners. The good thing about using adhesive over nails is that you can wiggle them a bit to get them in perfect position. Finally, we added the top strip between the two curves and we had a whole finished panel. We repeated the whole process on the other side, starting from the bottom up again, keeping each strip level and scraping off excess adhesive as we went. Once the panels were finished, we caulked around all the edges and painted the panels in the same peachy pink as the walls. About a month later, the flooring and skirting was added, which I also painted to blend with the walls for a fully colour blocked look. And the end result is just wow, such a simple DIY that adds that touch of period charm back to a room.